It is unbelievable how many different ways there are to make money online today. So that's the great thing about the times that we're living in, is that there are so many opportunities to make money out there, at least in the online world. The economy in the offline world, that may be a different story. But anyways, let's get into this course that I've created. I've titled it "The Best Way to Make Money Online." Um, but you know what? That's my opinion only. Okay, this is the method that works for me. I'm gonna give you the reasons why I think it's the best way to make money online in the next few videos. So in this video course, I'm going to tell you what the best way to make money online is based on my opinion, and I'm also going to talk about it and tell you how I go about executing this business model. I'm also going to show you over the shoulders how I go about with this business model, how I profit from it. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video, which I'm going to reveal to you what I think is the best way to make money online.